In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and modify charts in Google Slides. Whether you're aiming to enhance your presentations with some visual flair, or just need to present data clearly and concisely, integrating charts can be a game changer. So, let's dive into this process and walk through each step to get you chart ready in no time. First, you need to head over to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to the Google Slides page. If you're not already signed in, the next step is to log into your Google account. This step is crucial because it grants you access to your presentations and other Google services. If you're already signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage, which showcases all your previous work and any shared presentations you might have. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll have the option to start with a blank presentation or to choose from a variety of templates. If you want a completely fresh canvas, simply click on blank presentation. Alternatively, if you're looking for something with a bit more structure or style, you can select a template that suits your needs. After you have your slide open and ready, look at the top menu and click on the Insert option. This tap on Insert reveals a drop-down menu where you'll find a variety of elements you can add to your slide, such as images, text boxes, and most importantly for our topic today, charts. Hover over or click on Chart. When you select Chart, you'll see several options like bar, column, line, and pie charts. Choose the type of chart that best represents your data or suits the aesthetic of your presentation. Each chart type serves a different purpose, so think about which one will most effectively convey your information. For instance, pie charts are great for showing proportions, while line charts are excellent for displaying trends over time. Once you've inserted your chart, you can further modify it to fit the theme and data of your presentation. Simply click on the chart to highlight it and you'll see various customization options. You can adjust the size, change colors, or even directly import data from Google Sheets, ensuring your chart updates dynamically as your data changes. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to successfully insert and modify charts in Google Slides. Use these tools to make your presentations more engaging and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps to become proficient at enhancing your slides with charts. Happy presenting!